How I made my first $10 with AI. Step by step, making your first money online is the hardest part. Not because it's impossible, but because most people don't know where to start. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I made my first $10 using AI. No audience, no experience, no investment, just a simple method that anyone can follow. Let's get started. Step 1. Choosing a simple method. I didn't try everything. I picked one simple method, AI content writing. Why? Because it's easy, fast, and there's real demand. Businesses need content every day, and AI makes it much easier to create. Take a moment here. The goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to start. Step 2. Using AI to create content. I used AI tools to generate simple content. Things like short blog posts, social media captions, product descriptions. Then I edited the content to make it more natural and useful. AI does the heavy work. You just improve it. Step 3. Creating a simple offer. Next, I created a basic offer. Something like, I will write AI-generated content for your website or social media. No fancy setup, no complicated pricing, just a clear service. Simple sells. Step 4. Finding the first client. Now came the real challenge. I started applying to small gigs and reaching out to potential clients. At first, no responses. And honestly, this is where most people give up. But I kept going. A few more messages. A few more attempts. Step 5. Getting the first order. Finally, I got my first small opportunity. It wasn't big, just a simple content task. I used AI, edited the result, and delivered it quickly. And that's how I made my first $10. What I learned. Here's what this taught me. You don't need multiple methods. You don't need perfect skills. You don't need money to start. You just need action and consistency. What you should do now. If you want to start, pick one method. Use AI to save time. Create a simple offer. Take action daily. That's it. Simple, but powerful. Final thoughts. Your first $10 won't change your life, but it will change your mindset. Because once you see it's possible, everything becomes easier. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more AI methods, side hustles, and real online income strategies. See you in the next video.